Okay, another day, another dollar.
It's not as bad. Last time it was dark.
Maybe this guy's knows something. Just picking up 2 scissor lifts. No power whatsoever. So, all right, okay, let's go. That's an AR T26. But the thing with this is, the only reason is because we can crash into that one. Plenty of space, mate. Started really early, started doing my stuff, a little bit of mess about around, and now I need to go and collect. It's a little bit tricky, that's about it. Then I'm gonna make my way there, but before that I'm gonna show you more or less where I'm going. So this is the place I'm going. Is the dropping pin is there, but it's actually somewhere in here. So if some of you have been there, you probably know what it's like. It's not nothing crazy, it's just in the middle of nowhere to get in, and then take his wide and come in, and then just go that way, and then trying to reverse around that. But it's a lot of sticks and stuff there. It's one of the things that I don't want to do. Why? The only reason why I don't want to, would not like to do that is because the truck's gonna get crashed. Let's go there, we're around the corner. Let's go and do this. Yeah, I do remember this letter being here, and the last time trying to get me to get through on the other way, which is narrower. So what I did is I went this way, and I'm gonna do the same again. Surprised that tree's still there. Okay. All right. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. I'll put this bit a little bit down. All right. I guess I just opened the door. It's not as bad. Last time it was dark, so this is all right. Now that I can see better, well, so I think. Let's go. I'm still like. Come on, lad. There we go. All right, we through that gate. Gonna have to plan something. Before anything, I'm gonna try to turn around. Like I said, that rear steering just helps massively. And I don't like jackknifing the truck because all my lines get dirty, and that dirties the truck. All right, okay, just need to find the scissor lifts now. All right, that wasn't too bad. So let's go and ask questions now. Maybe this guy's knows something. Hi mate, just picking up 2 scissor lifts.
I thought it was them.
Yeah.
But nobody's told us this now. Of course, obviously I can't guarantee they're down there.
Yeah, okay.
This is our first day back now, they could be dead. I don't know this, you know the battery?
Yeah, it can be dead. If you switched off, it's fine, it should be fine.
Fine, I don't know. Well, all I can tell you is, your lorry down there, you could probably just drive up to that bottom corner and you could actually drive them along. It's up to you. How you want to do it?
I'm gonna go and have a look because
Yeah,
I've been here
look.
before. I know.
Okay.
I know what that's like there. Don't want to get into that.
Yeah, go and have a look, but I can't tell you how to get down there.
No, it's
You're
fine,
quite free to go and get up. But
All right, okay.
nobody told you you're coming, but we just said what before, and I
All right, I go on a scissor lift from down here. Not getting my truck down there, not a chance. And then what I'm gonna try to do is get a truck to reverse in there because there's a couple of bumps on the road, and I can't get it past that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and get a second one, driving next to that one that I go there, and I'll be able just to go with the other one. But I'm definitely not driving my truck up here. All right, I need to get the keys for this. Oh good. Put it to basket. If it's not even turning to basket. There we go. Don't tell me. Oh Jesus! Don't tell me you're not working. If there's nothing there, nothing up there as well. Swap it to basket again. That's all. No power whatsoever. So yes, we got it moving. We got it moving. So the dead man switch was killed. So I tried it again and then come back and forward, and then I got it going last minute. All right, gonna leave it both there. So I'm gonna drive there, get over there, get them both, reverse back out, and then ride there, and then straight out. Okay. Okay, ow. You just banged my head against that. A bit more that way and that way. Okay. All right. Double check everything before we go. All right, okay. I'm gonna have to clean this boots again. Time to go. You alright there? Like this. Somebody's done that before because I came last time and that pole wasn't like that. So somebody trying to go up there, try to reverse out and knock that over. Yes, 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 yes. That's all I needed. Okay, so right that way. Thank you guys. They were helpful. They got, ow! Them guys were helpful. Another successful collection. You just gotta be careful getting out. It's not gonna be too much of a problem. I just don't want to scratch the unit. That was the only thing I was most worried about, because I don't want to scratch it. I just want to keep it like intact. Okay, steering is helping a lot. All right, okay, let's go. Woo! I hope you take something from this video. Well, so far, because we're not going to finish it yet. I hope that you have taken like how to plan it before you go in, because you can come up to something. Always walk in, always, regardless, walk in. If you think, or you have seen the map, there's not like suitable to towns, to places that you've never been before, get your Google Maps, take that 5 minutes and then do your research. First time I went there, I did my research, I knew where I was going, but it was still really difficult. The only reason why I found it difficult because it was dark. It was really dark, I couldn't see. Take your time, God's sake, please take your time. All right, I just arrived UPA, and I'm gonna offload this, and then I'm gonna load all the machines, and then I'm gonna get going and find out where I'm going. I think I'm going to Essex, not too sure yet, so I'm gonna go and find out. All right, I just put the scissor lifts over there. So like it was like quick on, quick off. That's why I didn't record it. But now I need to pick one of them big ones. In order to do that, let me turn my truck off first. In order to do that, what I gotta do now is put my harness. Just do this now. Sometimes it just gets tangled. Just tighten it up a bit. Let's go. So I need to find out the one. It's the big one. It's the one that sticks out the back, which is a T26. That's an AR T26. But the thing with this is, it says T26 there, but it needs to be exactly the same. All right, okay, T26. JH01. So that's the one. I think it's gonna try to land there, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shift it a little bit. So with these other buttons you can shift it around, so I'm just gonna move it, but I put it down first so I don't knock that one over. Right, with this one in here I'll be able just to move the whole thing. Right, after moving it that way, now it's coming down, so it's not gonna crash into anything, so that's good. Comes down, I get out of here, put this in the back of the truck. Don't know what's going on in here, it's going crazy now. Went too far down. All right, that's good. So swing all the way out. I put myself a little bit high on this one. The only reason is because you can crash into that one. All right, come on, I'll be faster. Come in. Plenty of space, mate. Start beeping because you're too high, and then it's like a little incline there, and then the arm goes up, so I should stop beeping. Okay. Back up. Basket goes in between this because it won't fit. Alright, hold on, we're strapped up. Okay, good. Alright, so we're ready to go now. We got what we needed, and we're just gonna head down London, and then we're gonna drop this off. Making lights off, and we're just gonna go and wash this truck quickly. Coffee, please. No sugar. Cheers, man.
It's supposed to be colder tonight though, isn't it?
Is it? Guys, if you haven't, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me more than you think. Comments as well, anything you want. If you got any negative comments, by all means leave it there. Helps a lot as well. I will carry on this vlog for tomorrow, so all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna go to sleep, and tomorrow morning when I wake up I carry on this vlog, but it's gonna be the second one. And a lot of people were asking me like, when are you coming back? So we're back now. Cheers, guys.